AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to save password in Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to see your saved passwords in Google Chrome, then I will show you how to see or how to check this. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. In top right section, you can see here 3 dot. Just click on this. You can see here settings option. Just click on this. In the search bar, you need to type password. Just click on the password. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, below you will find all your saved passwords in Google Chrome. You can see in first column you will find all the websites. In second column you will see all your usernames what you have created. In third column you will find all your saved passwords. For example, if you want to see any password, you can click it here or you can click on the 3 dot. You can copy your password from here. If you want to see password, just click on this eye icon logo. Here you need to enter the password of your Windows login. Here you need to enter the password of your Windows login. The password which you have saved to login the Windows at the startup time, you have to enter that password here. If you doesn't remember the Windows password, below you can see here more choices. Just click on this. You can use it as a different account, or if you have created a PIN password, just click on the PIN and enter the PIN option, whatever you have saved the PIN. After entering the password, just hit enter and you will see your saved password here. That's it guys. So in this way you can check or see saved passwords in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.